Hello and welcome to another Glass of Bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Italian Lord cocktail. Now everything you need is on this table right here. To get started, what we need is 1 teaspoon of honey. Just make the cocktail sweeter, just with the spoon in there to get the honey off. Then what we're going to need is 30 ml of whiskey. Now I have here the Lord Randolph Oxford Malt Whiskey from Black Bottle Distilleries. I had a little taste of this earlier and it is very nice, I have to say. And I love the bottle it comes in. So that's 30 ml in there. Take the spoon out. And we just want to give this a little mix so the honey isn't so thick and settles at the bottom. It's hard to come out. So there's not much in here. This is just to have the honey absorb into the whiskey itself. Oh, explosion. There we go, it's nice. And we just pour that into the glass. And then we top up with our Italian sparkling wine. Now this is the Conte Giulio from Italy. Lovely pop. And then we just simply top up our glass. There we go. The Italian Lord cocktail. Oh, that is nice.